Another of the nuances of sport that tend to cloud a lot of the analysis of great players and great teams is the aesthetics or entertainment value of one player or team compared to the sheer numbers and statistics compiled by another player or team. Classic example, Shivnarine Chanderpaul averages 50 odd in Test cricket with 30 Test centuries. Carl Hooper, on the other hand, averages 36 plus with 13 centuries. So Shiv is almost twice as productive and as prolific as Hooper. But if you were to resurrect both retired Test careers right now, more cricket fans would pay good money to watch Carl Hooper bat than Shivnarine Chanderpaul. Personally, I would prefer to watch Hooper make a typical 40 or 50 runs than to watch Shiv make a typical 150. I mean, no me alone. And it speaks to the aesthetics, entertainment value, and fan appeal versus basic productivity. You all must remember that sports is entertainment, and we cannot or should not dismiss the value and importance of how much more people enjoy one performance compared to another performance, even though the more enjoyed performance might be statistically weaker than the less enjoyed performance. But the less enjoyed performance will go down in history as the better performance. Look, for example, at the entertainment value and the aesthetic appeal of the Maverick.